Comment 434 is used in a factorization context, where often when you have some enormous, great big thing like this, and you have to factorize it, so people often spot that that's even and that's even. They also spot that there's x's and y's in both expressions, so they might make a common factor of 2xy and then muck about until these two expressions work with those to create these when you multiply out the brackets. Now the point is that this is not wrong. What I'm about to write is not wrong. It is certainly the case that if you multiply out this bracket, you get what you started with, so it's not wrong. But the point is that it doesn't get you full marks if it's supposed to be a final answer. Now, if it's not supposed to be a final answer, or if there was some other purpose, so for example, if you were just trying to show that 2xy was somehow in the picture, then that's fine. But if it is supposed to be a final answer, then every mark scheme in the whole world requires that there be as many factors as possible and that the numbers involved are as high as possible when those numbers are factors. I guess what I'm saying is that this has 4 factors, and that's great. I don't think we can get it any more than that. But we can certainly make this higher. And the way we make this higher is by noticing that there are further common factors in here. So the best thing we can do, I think, is to have 12. And I think this x is not as high as it can be either. I think that we could have an x squared, and I think this y could also be a y squared. And now you would have 2y plus 3x cubed. Now the informal expression I use, which is in the comment, is to point out that that needs to be as fat as it can be. What does fat mean? Big numbers, high powers, and as many factors as possible.